How is everybody? It's hot today, eh? Good. Don't forget, some of you can come around here as well.
I've been bringing my class here at the Core Research Center because it gives the children a different outlook rather than just seeing the text. They can actually do the practical along with the theory, and it's a huge help that they get to come to see a marine biologist.
We're incredibly fortunate to have this animal because they're protected, aren't they, in the Bahamas? It's illegal to catch sharks, but we happen to find this shark on the beach. We learn every day. We learn from each other every day, and I think the Centre for Ocean Research and Education, one of its primary goals is the provision of education to the communities of Eleuthera Island, and we do that through using marine research as a platform, and the way in which we immerse young Bahamian students into our research process in an applied manner has been one of the keys of our success, and has been a critical driver of that success.
Brings awareness to the community at large because the kids get to go home and they get to talk about what they learned in class, as well as they can have a spirit of wanting to respect and protect, like the motto is in our class.
My favorite class had probably been today. We dissect the shark under shark. Yes, I do think it's benefiting our education, because if we go to like a science fair and we need to answer the question, we can answer it. I think it's important because a lot of people are catching more fish than they're supposed to be, and we need to learn how to save them.
We had students from Deep Creek and Rock Sound in the south of Eleuthera. We've had students from Governor's Harbour, Harbour Island, North Eleuthera, Spanish Wells, as well as Gregory Town, Palmetto Point, most of the major settlements on the island of Eleuthera. We've had students come from New Providence as well. So we are slowly starting to expand our educational reach to the other islands as well. In 2018, we were awarded a grant from the Life and Key Foundation, a community outreach grant, and we were able to develop and deliver a series of residential marine science programs. We started at the very beginning and talked about the scientific method, the whole process of identifying an issue, an ecological problem or issue, and then developing strategies and scientific experiments that we could conduct in order to answer those questions. At the end of the 5-day program, these students stood up in front of the community, in front of their friends and family, and they delivered their results in a conference-style presentation. We found that the learning transition of these young people has been quite remarkable, particularly with the primary school students.
At this age, they have to learn that it's important that we preserve our resources, and they are now learning how they can be a part of preserving their resources, not only watching other folks doing it or companies like the BNT, but how they themselves can take care of the environment for them as well as future generations.
The old-fashioned concept of someone standing in front of a group of people talking at them is just so archaic, it's so counterintuitive. I think that just having conversations with people is education, disseminating that information, and that is something that is integral to the Centre for Ocean Research and Education's mission. We invest a lot of time and energy into these processes, and it's working, it's really working. We work with the community, in the community, for the community. I think that has been the absolute recipe for our success, and all of the challenges that we faced are irrelevant, because with that community support and involvement and integration, we've accomplished what we have. And personally, I am so excited about next year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years from now,